Hello everyone, welcome back to Discover Yours. Today I have an exciting video for all the sari enthusiasts out there. If you've ever wondered how to wear a sari but felt a little intimidated, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will show you how to wear a sari in just 4 easy steps and in under 3 minutes. I also have a second bonus look, so be sure to watch till the end. For all the sari images I have shown here, in case you'd like to buy, I have included the links. This video is not sponsored, so let's get started. Step 1 is to start by finding the plain end of the sari. Remember to find the under support border. That side would be facing toward you or the inside. This is the opposite end of the one that has the heavy design, also called a pallu. Tuck in the plain end of the sari into the skirt petticoat at your waist, keeping the end from left to right, making sure it's secure. Wrap the sari around your waist, ensuring the lower edge with the inner support border touches the floor. Step 2, we go to the heavy design side or the pallu. Carefully start pleating at the end into pleats of 4 to 5 inches each. Pleats are also these folds that I'm creating. Then draw it around your waist and up to your left shoulder. Keep it there and move to step 3. We will come back to it in step 4. Now, in step 3, you will start to create the pleats or folds for the material left waist down. The pleats can be again 4 to 5 inches. Once pleated, tuck it into the skirt petticoat at the waist. In the last step, that is step 4, we open up the shoulder pleat to drape the sari to cover our left shoulder side. Now that your sari is draped, it is time to add those finishing touches. That is, to adjust the pleats and make sure everything is secure and comfortable. The pleats can also be secured in place on the left shoulder after doing some finishing touches to make sure it looks neatly done. And here for the bonus style, I have worn the pallu in a different way to create a completely different look. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to wear a sari in just 4 easy steps. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it takes a few tries to get it right. With time, you'll become a pro at draping saris and creating stunning looks for any occasion. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fashion tips and tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there are any topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy sari draping!